Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to repair a flat tire on your car. First, make sure you have all the necessary tools: a jack, lug wrench, spare tire, and tire repair kit. Start by locating the flat tire and safely lifting your car using the jack. Next, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts and remove the flat tire. Inspect the tire for any punctures or damage. If you find a small nail or screw, you can repair it yourself. Using the tire repair kit, insert the plug into the puncture and trim off any excess. Once the repair is complete, inflate the tire to the recommended pressure using a tire gauge and air pump. Carefully place the repaired tire back onto the car and tighten the lug nuts. Lower the car back down using the jack and give the lug nuts a final tightening. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired your flat tire. Remember to drive cautiously and have the tire inspected by a professional as soon as possible.